I want to provide a little context to what I said in the video about the 4x4 the other day, where I said we're going to be strategic and selective about the client that we choose to do business with on this car. There were a lot of people that felt like I was saying that I was going to be choosing who was qualified to do business with us. And I totally understand why you thought that. And I wanted to explain really what I was getting at. There are very few instances in the automotive industry where there is a new car that garners massive demand relative to the available supply. G63s have been that way since they were redesigned for model year 2019. Porsche has that problem with really any of their GT cars, which would include GT2, GT3, GT4. The G63 4x4 is another one of those vehicles where there is extremely limited supply and there is a massive number of willing buyers. When that video got posted, there was nothing short of 100 people that either called in, messaged, sent in an internet lead, all within a couple hours of that post going live. What happens is it really becomes a lot like real estate in the sense that when a home gets listed, there is a period of time where offers will come in, and then the buyer and the realtor will select the offer that makes most sense for them. Now, we did not put this up for auction, so we weren't soliciting people's highest offers. I was very clear in the video that we were going to sell it for MSRP, and in order to do that, knowing that MSRP is well below the market value of the vehicle, that we would need a deal that made sense for the store. And when I say a deal that made sense for the store, what I mean is we want a long-term relationship. So we look at every deal we do as, is this going to be just one sale and then we're never going to hear from this person again and they're going to take the car and try to flip it for a profit? Or can we get a trade? Is this somebody that we can get to know? Is this somebody that is likely to come back to us and do business with us down the road because of our access to inventory and how easy we make the process, etc. Some of our very best clients buy multiple cars a year. The kind of clients that we want when we've got a really, really hard to get piece of inventory like this. The reality of it is anybody could scrape together the money if they really wanted to buy this G63 4x4 knowing that they could immediately turn around and sell it for a profit. That's not what we want to do. I understand where people are saying, if I was told that I couldn't buy the car, I would never go back to that dealership again. And I'm sorry if you felt that way. That's not what we intended. We would never do that on a core model that's easily replaceable. Of course, if you're here and you raise your hand and you want to move forward, we're going to move forward. This is an extremely unique scenario, and it's not one that I look forward to. Frankly, anytime we get a G63 or a G63 4x4, it really is actually very stressful for me and the entire team because it's a lot of people to sort through to determine who is likely to continue doing business with us down the road. I understand that some people don't value a relationship with a car dealership. We do. It means a lot to us. We want to give our VIP clients amazing access to inventory, take good care of them, and we want to sell multiple cars, not just one. So that's what I meant by that. And again, I believe there's nothing wrong with doing that. This is a relationship business at the end of the day, and that's what we care most about.